Hello, hello, listeners, and welcome sa second season. Ay, ito pala. Second season na tayo ng Tine Blah Blah. Tine is me and Blah Blah is my blabbers. So, for the longest time, ginamit natin yung transition music na yon. And I just wanna ask, kasi ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng video. What comes into your mind kapagka naririnig niyo yung ano, yung intro music? Like, nakikita niyo ba yung ganito? Gano'n. Tapos bigla na lang ako magsasalita, 'no? Nakalimutan ko na actually yung spiel natin do'n. Tapos hindi puwedeng ano dito 'no, anong tawag dito, pause. Babe, hindi ka puwedeng mag-pause. So you have to cut your video. Oh, no. So kailangan ko pang i-edit yung mga video ko. Hindi na lang puwedeng i-pause? Or siguro stop ko na lang tapos another recording siguro, gano'n. Para mas madaling idikit-dikit kaysa So yun nga, kailangan ko pang pakinggan yung kailangan ko pang pakinggan yung mga previous TVB episode to remind myself how I do this kasi sobrang parang nag-hiatus tayo for 1 month. 'Yan, kaya, um, itong video na 'to yung parang, rehearsal ng mga susunod nating recording and ang jahe nitong setup na 'to kasi kapagka nagre-record ako ng TVB, as you all know, hindi naman tayo script. And whenever I go blank, ipino-pause ko yung recording para maisip ko yung, what I wanted to say. Tsaka ko pine-play ulit kapagka naisip ko na. And with this setup, hindi ko yun magawa kasi, walang pause recording or baka meron hindi ko lang wala. Hindi ko lang nadi-discover pa. I am using the OBS Studio, by the way. Pero, yeah, I don't know how to use it. Parang ang hassle lang kasi kung, split ko yung mga video na ire-record ko and then ang hirap niya, wait. Anyway, so yun nga, trying this new setup kasi niregaluhan ako ni husband ng sound card na may kasamang mic, ito yon. Pero yung first gift niya is itong mic na 'to. Ang difference nitong dalawang mic na 'to is, ito ay dynamic and ito ay condenser. Tama ba ako? Basta ito yung pang-podcast, kapagka lumayo ka ng konti dito sa mic na 'to, hindi na maririnig yung noise. And dito, kuha niya pa rin lahat. Kaya kahit nandito ako, rinig niya pa din. Dito ako, rinig niya pa din. Nandito ako, rinig niya pa rin. And mas maganda yung pickup 'pag nandito. With this mic, 'pag lumayo ka, hindi ka narinig. So, yun yung difference nun. And because this mic comes with a sound card na gagamitin ko, yung sound card, ito yon, siya yung gumagawa niyan. Siya yung gumagawa nito. Siya yung gumagawa nito. Siya yung nagpe-play nito. Puwede rin ito. Shout out Pastor Friday Esleta kasi kanta niya yan. Nilagay lang ni Jan dito sa sound card. But anyway, so yung sound card na yun, um, the mic comes with a sound card that I'm gonna use from now on. So I think it would work best with it. Kaya ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Although this mic is one expensive apparatus to neglect. Pero let's see. Yeah, kasi kanina pati nagkakanta-kanta ako. So, hindi magandang gamitin yung dynamic na mic kasi nga hindi niya naririnig, konting galaw lang ng ulo ko. Eh, 'pag kumakanta ako puro, alam mo yun, movement, which is I don't think nice kapag kumakanta ka, but anyway. Yeah. So, I think that would be better for recording. Andito lang 'to ngayon kasi, um, kumanta ako kanina. Alright. So, yun na yun. nag-stop, huy. Anyway, for the second season ng Tine Blah Blah, what we're going to do in addition dun sa dati nating ginagawa. First of all, magkakameron na tayo ng video. I am planning to upload the podcast na rin sa YouTube channel ko. Kasi meron kaming projector sa loob ng kwarto. Sometimes it's nice to listen to the podcast bago ka matulog. Kaya lang, walang Spotify yung projector. So, ang nabubuksan lang namin doon ng Netflix is Netflix and YouTube. So, kung nasa YouTube yung podcast ko, we will be able to see yung podcast to have a look at it. And also, apart from that, we're apart from moving from the recording itself to having a video, we're going to be reading from the Bible directly. Hindi na tayo hindi na tayo just, um, tawag dito, hindi na tayo verse na lang. We're going to explore a book. So, parang ang mangyayari dito sa second season ng Tine Blah Blah is we're going to read a chapter of a book per episode and then let's see what song we can think about dun sa mapapag-aralan natin. Yon. I'm gonna be posting yung reading plan sa website. So, abang-abang na lang. So, I think technically yun lang talaga. Since dalawa yung mic natin, we would probably be having guests as well. Let's see. Baka yun na yung magiging start ng third season, hindi natin alam. So, yun lang. Ini-inform ko lang kayo as early as now na yun yung i-expect natin sa second season ng Tine Blah Blah. And I just wanted to inform you as well kung hindi mo man na discover pa na we are currently on hiatus. Parang from ang last na episode natin from the first season was the year-end one, yung episode 27. Yun na yung last. Tapos wala na tayong post from January. I didn't announce that. I'm just having a look kung mapapansin nyo. Pero yeah, I went on a hiatus. Iniisip ko kung paano natin gagawing better yung Tine Blah Blah. Tapos sabi ko, let me just come back on February. Wala naman nagtanong actually. So, I'm telling you now, my dear listeners. So, yun na nga. Ayun na yun. Kita-kits tayo first Monday ng first Monday ng February. We're still gonna be having the new episodes every Monday kasi it's the start of the week and it would be nice if there is something for you to ponder on for the whole week. You can ask your friends about it. You can talk to your pastor about it. Yan. And the same pa rin yung goal natin to make Jesus a part of your daily conversation. Alright, so yon kita-kita tayo on February. And I don't know, gusto nyo bang mag-request ng na ida-dissect natin yung message? Is up to you. You can leave a comment down below. And I will see you on Feb. Bye!